All right, boys, this is my next project. Mom wants a little shelf to go right in there, about this high, so that she can put other stuff on top of it, which makes sense. So I measured it, and it's going to just sit right in here. It'll be about the same, stick out about as far as these do already. All right. Done this on, I should have videoed it, but I used my, right there, my, what do they call that? A miter saw to cut these 4 pieces. I'm just going to make a really non-sturdy little table. You won't be able to stand on it, but it'll be strong enough to hold, cleaning jugs and things like that. So I'm just going to have a tabletop and these 4 legs that go down in the 4 corners, and I want them thin, so when they stand up like this, there'll be lots of room in here to put stuff. If I put a thick leg, that would just cut the space out that I have in here. But this is not very strong. This would be strong this way, but it wouldn't be strong this way. So I am gonna, on each one of these, come on. On each one of these, I'm gonna put one of these blocks on the side here to make it a little wider, so it will be strong this way. And again, it's not going to be for standing on, it's just going to be holding, jugs of cleaning stuff and rags and things like that. So let me do that. I've got these all glued. I give those a half hour. Got one that's split, but it's still on there pretty good, so I think that'll work. And I think that'll work. So on these, I'm going to drive a screw like right down there. No, I can't do that because there's a screw that goes through here. Maybe after it dries, I'll pull that screw out. Because when you glue, oops, sorry. Anyway, I've got that screw in there, so I can't draw straight down or I'll hit that screw. But the nice thing about glue is when it glues and it's done, it's hard after about half an hour, but you don't want to do anything strong with it for a day, 24 hours. So I'll pull that out, and the nice thing about glue is it is harder than the original wood. So after I pull that screw out, if I wanted to tear that off, it would tear the wood apart. It would not split right at the glue line. It would tear wood away with it. So that's what I'll do with those. I'll take a single screw through the top wood that's going to sit here like this, and put a single screw through that into this so that it's strong this way and it's strong that way. Again, not strong enough to stand on, but strong enough for stuff. So now we need a top. So I dug through my stash of miscellaneous woods, and I came up with a likely scrap piece. That's 3/4 of an inch, so that's plenty strong. You could stand on that, but my legs aren't going to be strong enough. I've used it for different things, painting, other stuff on top of it, but it's just going to go in the closet and never get seen. So I'm going to use that. I've got to cut it. Here's my measurements. So So I'm going to cut it 22 by 9.5. Well, probably 22 down this way, 9.5 in. I'll just cut a chunk out and put the rest of it back in my scrap pile. All right, boys. I got my legs. Got my holes drilled on the board. I've got them countersunk. So the screw head will go through and sit below the surface. And now I just need to put them together. So, I don't know if you can tell, this one didn't go in real good, and it's my own fault. I'm doing this too sloppy. So, and let me take it apart. Not too shabby. Got stuff underneath, stuff on top. Okay, another job done.